Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about the health benefits of eating parsley. Eating parsley offers several health benefits including rich in nutrients. Parsley is a good source of vitamins A, K and C as well as minerals like iron and potassium. Antioxidant properties. It contains flavonoids and other antioxidants that help reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the body. Supports heart health. The vitamin K in parsley is important for heart health as it helps prevent calcification of arteries and supports proper blood clotting. May help reduce cancer risk. Some studies suggest that the compounds in parsley, such as myristicin, may have anti cancer effects. Supports bone health. The vitamin K and calcium in parsley are important for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Aids digestion. Parsley contains fiber which help supports a healthy digestive system and may reduce the risk of digestive issues like constipation. May help fight bad breath. The chlorophyll in parsley may help neutralize bad breath and improve overall oral health. Supports immune function. The vitamin C in parsley is important for a healthy immune system, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Incorporating parsley into your diet can be a simple way to boost your overall health and well being. If you like the above video, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Stay healthy, stay happy. Until next time, thanks for watching.